Watch your fingers. Yeah. That sucker's big, isn't he? Oh, that's your nipples.
Let me get the one off the butt. Ooh.
Next, stay still. He's coming by your eyeballs. Keep your eyes down low and watch that chip's going to get eaten if you stand. He's going to get the one off his back or his butt. Now everybody else wants to go on the chip. Don't move, buddy. Some water with the chips. He wants to get it. Oh God, here he goes, here he goes. Looks like he's got flesh on his feet. Don't move, he's right there. He's circling you. Oh, he's coming. Did he poke you? He poked you? Did it hurt? Are you okay? He's looking at your back. Now he's coming to the front. Don't move, he's right in front of your face. Oh, he chased the other big one away. He said, "This is my potato chip." So he's going to your back. Oh my God, that really hurt. Hit your back. Lay down. He's a big one.